Julia, where is my croissant?
You ate your croissant.
No, I did not. Where is my croissant?
You ate your croissant.
No, it is not.
Yes,
No,
you did.
where is it? Where is my
You
croissant?
ate your croissant.
I did not eat my croissant. Where did
Yes,
it go?
you did.
No, I did not. Where is
Yes,
it?
you did.
Where is my croissant?
You used to be.
My croissant is not in my British tummy.
Yes, it is your British to me.
No, it is not.
I
Where
was
is,
not born yesterday. You did eat your croissant.
where is my croissant?
In your stomach.
Julia, I tell you, you ate my croissant. Where is it?
I did not eat your croissant.
You did.
Shut up.
Where is my croissant?
I did not eat your croissant.
Okay, now where is my croissant?
I did not eat your croissant.
Obviously you did, because it is not in the fridge.
It's in your stomach.
I need something to reach my... Oh! Seriously. Service around here is terrible.
Go get your pork.
Fine, I will go find Porky. 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 Porky, where is my croissant?
I don't know where your papa.
Porky, I know you ate my croissant.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Where is my croissant?
I don't know.
Where is my croissant?
I need to ask Julia.
Julia, my wife, did not eat my croissant. She told me you ate the croissant.
I did not.
Give me your pork! Ah!